of this government. 8th of April, regulators, oxygen. 16th of April, I told them about UK variant. In Goa, there were 3-4 variants. It became evident. I told them about the plasma therapy. Study the pros and the cons. There is something going on there. There is something needs correction. And the last letter I wrote on April 27th. I told them make a RT-PCR test compulsory for entry in Goa. Finally, the High Court had to do it. And I told them that be careful. I told them that Maharashtra, they have created, see, I have highlighted on 27th of April, I told them Maharashtra already did a lockdown. They criticized me. What is the lockdown? Chief Minister criticized Kutala. Today the Prime Minister has said follow the Maharashtra model. Here is the letter and says that start lockdown. And because of lockdown, there is a dip in the cases development. All this I highlighted. I have told them that this is going to happen. And till today, nothing is happening. Till today, Chief Minister is going in the JMC and trying to see how much oxygen is there. After 1 month, he is going to see how much is the oxygen level. 8 days before I told him, let us take a all-party delegation, see what is the oxygen level. I have even told the Chief Secretary told me there is enough of oxygen. I have told these fellows, beds, ventilators are not there. Till today, 1 month later, there are no extra beds, there are no extra ventilators. There are people dying. Look, motta. Look, oxygen alago motta. आज administration मध्ये collapse झाले. Chief Minister बोंतिंगा एक म्हयनो जालो बोंता अजून देखून instead of आज ते सगळे ऑक्सिजन बी करेक्ट करून नेक्स्ट फेजीस जावपा जाल्ले. तुई प्राइम मिनिस्टराक सांगिला अजून देखून की बाबा हिंग ऑक्सिजन ना म्हणून आमकां ऑक्सिजन जाय म्हणून. Oh, you're waiting for the High Court to intervene and get oxygen for us like how they got in Delhi. What is happening? People are dying from 2 to 6. What is happening? Why are the people dying? Oxygen namun tej barbo lok je kon family barbo the member bar patient barbo hai the family member for that they suitai. People are dying like fishes. And if that is true, there is blood on the hands of the government. The government acher rogot thenga atache ha. आज हानी थेंगानी चान्सू ना कितें करपाक. आनी चान्स ना म्हूण आज तेणी नवी गेम स्टार्ट केल्या. हांव लोकांक मागोता ती गेमीची उलोवची पयली. एक काम करे हेंक आयकना काय हेंक फात्या ना काय हे नवी गेम स्टार्ट केली न्ही. ब्लेम गेम नवी गेम स्टार्ट केल्या. ती गेमीची वचनी पयली हांव सांगता तुमकां तुमगे घरा रावाय भायर सर ना काय गरज पडल्यारी भायर सराय. ते दुयेंस घरान आपणागे फॅमिली मेंबरां मारला परस उपास रावल्या उदी बरें. इलेशे त्रास काडा एक 15 दीस सगळे बरें जातालें. देव आहा आमचे बरोबर. आमच्या बरोबर हे नाय बट देव आहा आमचे बरोबर. गॉड विल प्रोटेक्ट अस. हॅव फेथ एंड वी विल बी एबल टू डील. नेगेटिविटी मातशे काडया तकल्यान तुली. आमी बरें नाय जालें जाल्यार बरें जावया. बरें जालें ते भायर सोन येया आनी वी विल फायट दीस कोरोना. बट गेम प्लॅन म्हणटा असो आतां स्टार्ट केला तेणी. एक रुलिंग आमदार दुसरी कलिगा ब्लेम करता. तो ब्लेम करता तेगे बायल मिनिस्टर आहा. तुगे बायल मिनिस्टर आहा जाल्यार तूं आनी कित्याक ब्लेम गेम स्टार्ट करता. आनी एक आमदार उलोवपा लागला. आतां कितें उलयताय हो प्लॅन केला तेणी आतां तयार टू डायवर्ट द अटेन्शन ऑफ द पीपल. फोकस ऑफ द पीपल. हांव मागोत लोकां कडेन तुमी फोकस पिड्डे करना काय हें पातये ना काय. हे फोटिंगाचे पाय जालो हाय. तुमगे घराको हेंक पातये ना काय घर रावाय. प्रोटेक्ट करे तुमकां तुमगे फॅमिली प्रोटेक्ट करे. कोण जाल तेका बरे भाशेन 8 दीस सारके ते करेक्ट ट्रिटमेंट घे. तो ट्रिटमेंट मातशें कन्फर्म करे. प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटरान सगळी वस्त मेळना जाल्यार मेडिकला मेळना जाल्यार भायर घे सर्वायव जाय. इट इज द सर्वायवल. जिवीत गरजेचें. पयशे मागीर केन्ना करपा जाताय. आज हेंको खूंय आहाय आज हेंको कितू पयशे आहाय. तेंको बेड दिवपा जाता. तेंको लोकां साल्वा करूंक जाताय. कोणाको पयशे नाय तेंकोडे. बीजेपी कितले पयशे आहाय बट दे कांट सेव लायफ्स. गॉड इज अंडर कंट्रोल. रिमेंबर that it is I am telling these people that it is too late for you to start this blame game and divert attention. It is beyond your control. आज last if not the least, आज एकलं म्हणटालो आपण तिसवाडी राजा, आनी एकलं म्हणटालो आपण बार्देसचा राजा, आनी एकलं म्हणटालो आपण सत्तरी राजा. खुंय ते राजा? आय एम गोइंग टू स्वीप बार्देस, आय एम गोइंग टू स्वीप. हे लोकांक स्वीप करून सोमते शिमते धाडले, हेणे मोसुणी जाले लोकांक, हे लोकांक मारले स्वीप करून. आता हांव फुडली सांगत तुमकां, हे सगळे बंद करे. ऑक्सिजन हाडे, फर्स्ट स्टेप. सेकंड स्टेप, ऑक्सिजन बेड्स, व्हेंटिलेटर्स आनी हाडे. बी प्रिपेर्ड, देर इज अ थर्ड वेव कमिंग. Experts are saying that there is a third wave coming. The children are going to be at danger. Where are NICU beds? Where are these? Start work already. Prepare for the next. Don't wait for things to happen. Start portable oxygen plants. Liquid oxygen storage plants you put. Start work immediately. Put everything in order. This is what I am telling you. There is a wave that is going to come which is predicted. Be prepared for it. This is my take. Every time we have told them previously, we have told the government 100 number of times. In letters I have written. मुगे letter तेनी सगळे काढले आणि बास्केटां उडयले. हे सगळे letter तेनी मुगे बास्केटां उडयले. हांव आज जोड मागतालो, do this, do this, do this. आज प्राइम मिनिस्टर सांगता लॉकडाउन हे करूया म्हणून. आता ही थर्ड वेव येवपा आहा. Prepare for it. Start preparations. Blame game bond kare. You can't blame alone, people. I am not saying Vishwajit, health minister, is right. I am not here. I am going to criticize everything. He is responsible, but not alone. The full government is responsible. What you were doing all this time? One MLA was telling 8 days back, no, we have just gone. We have not talked anything of reshuffle, nothing. We have gone just like that. We have not spoken anything like that. What is going on? What is going on with the government? You are killing people. To me, lokak, aksharsa, if it is true that lok oxygen lagu matta, that means you are killing people. Stop that blame and be prepared for the next wave and start your plan for the next wave. And last, if not the least, I want to sincerely thank with my golden hands all the doctors, all the nurses. I want to sympathize with all the people who have died. I want to say that so many organizations have come forward to help. I want to thank each and everybody sincerely, all those people silent who have worked. I want to really heartfully thank them for all work they have done. It is they who have really made people live at this point of time. Beyond religion, beyond caste, beyond creed, they have helped. We are on the ground. I am on the ground. As Kurtoni MLA, I am on the ground. Let somebody tell me I am not on the ground. We are not just criticizing. Actions speak louder than words, I believe. Whatever we can do, I can't do much. I myself am an asthmatic patient. But I'm a family risk and I'm lost there about that. I'm a full blown case of asthma. But still, I'm on the ground. But I'll fight it out. I need to protect my people. It's my duty. And I will not fail in my duty. मुझे duty का हूँ क्या ना fail जापाना ये मुझे काम मत था मुझे लगा बोले. आणि दोतरान thank कौन, सगळ्यान thank कौन, nurses, बारीक staff, helpers, washers, सगळ्यान जे त्रास करता है, helpers and everybody. And I had written press had declared करूँ as COVID warriors mo. I'm happy they have been declared. Now nurses, pharmaceuticals. Pharmacy काम करता है त्यांका, pharmacy wholesale काम करता है त्यांका, they should be also declared as COVID warriors, and they should be given vaccine. Vaccine पासून जायत issues जाता है vaccinaचे. Even we have highlighted issues that vaccine less आमो, that other states are already having problems. I highlighted 1 month back. All these issues I have taken precautions. आता last मुगेले तुम्ही prepare जाय for the next wave. There are beds, there are oxygen beds, there are everything that requires future. And then हे केलो ती टिका vaccine म्हणते. ते टिका vaccine म्हणते BJP टिका vaccine केलोले. बंद करूया. Always trying to have stage management. Stop it and be prepared for the next wave. protect our people. As long as we protect our people, people will look at us or we are in trouble.
President, what do you like to say about this curfew? Do you think this curfew will bring the number of cases down?
Why are you asking me a question? Prime Minister has already said today itself, follow the Maharashtra model. And our Chief Minister has still not told the Prime Minister we have less oxygen, so that more oxygen can be brought in. For any requirements, whatever their system may be not in order, that's why oxygen is not enough. But whatever it is, we are having less oxygen. So they need to tell the Prime Minister, we can no longer wait for being under the central leadership. We have to take steps.
President, पयर रातीक ऑक्सिजन बंद जावन काल हायेस्ट डेथ रेट जाल्ली आसा.
मुगे एकलं कुठतरी एकलं भुरग्यालो हा यांगतलो.
तशेंच राती ऑक्सिजन इश्यू जालो, पेशंटाक ऑक्सिजनूच मेळनाशिल्लें. ऑक्सिजन 2 वरां बंद पडलें मदीं. सो आयज कितले डेथ रेट जाले ते अजून घेवंक ना. वॉट वील डू?
सी ते ऑक्सिजन हुई ते 25 सिलिंडर घेण्यात आहे. ते 25 सिलिंडर हुई ते लोड करता आसतना आनी ते काडटा आसतना आनी हे घालता आसतना ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 वर वयते. ही स्ट्रीमलायन कोण ह्या दिसान कितें स्टेप्स घेवपा जाताले. सी फोकस इज नॉट देयर ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट. दे आर नॉट बॉदर्ड. I don't want to do any more blame game. They themselves are fighting. Vishwajit, the health minister, has admitted because of oxygen people are dying. He himself has admitted. But not only he, the entire government is responsible for the people dying in that case. It is not he alone. It is the BJP government that is responsible. The Council of Ministers and the ruling side that is there. आज आमगे 10 जाण गेल्ले ते आनी खंय आय रे. आमगे 10 जाण गेल्ले डेव्हलपमेंटाक आतां तांकां ऑक्सिजन मागूंक पडलें मरे तांकां आमकां. ते खंय आय ते आनी वेर आर दे. I forgot to tell आमगे एकलो सालसेती राजा आसलो. Nobody is available. Nobody can be seen. I'll sweep south, कोण I'll sweep north, कोण आपण स्वीप सातरी, कोण आपण स्वीप तिसवाडी. सगळे गेले न्हिदपाक. फिनिश. God is watching them. I only hope Manohar Parrikar is not calling some fellows.